Do laws apply to all? The provisions of Indian Constitution establishes rule of law. So what is rule of law? Rule of law means all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. It means all members of the society, including the authority, accept the authority of law. It means everybody is equal before law. That is rule of law. As I have said, all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. All persons are equal before law. So the law cannot discriminate between the persons on the basis of their religion, on the basis of their caste, on the basis of the gender, culture, language. But the all persons are equal before the law. That is the uniqueness of the law. Any crime or violation of law has specific punishment as well as the process through which the guilt of the person has to be established. The crime or the violation of law, it has a punishment and it has also a process for this punishment, and the guilt has to be established. That we know the court and its activities. So it is discussed there. So any crime or violation of law has a specific punishment. For this punishment, there has a particular process, and it includes the person has to be established. They have to be convinced that that person has committed the guilt. So the next one is the ancient Indian laws. How was before the colonial rule, the Indian laws that prevailed? So the laws varied according to the communities. From place to place, the laws were different. The punishment was based on the caste. So the higher caste and lower caste distinctions and differences were there. So that it was also reflected in the punishment too. The colonial period changed their system. So the British colonial rule introduced the rule of law. This is the common understanding with regard to the Indian laws and judiciary system. But the historians do not accept this concept. It is because the two important reasons. First one, the colonial law was arbitrary in nature. Second one, the Indian nationalist has played a prominent role in the development of legal sphere in India. For the arbitrariness, we have a good example of Sedition Act of 1870. So any person who protest against the policy of British government can be arrested without any due trial. So it shows the arbitrariness of the British India. So the colonial rule. So we can say